Did you know you don't need manual to take control of apertures? You can just try program mode instead. So on this camera here, I am in auto mode like most newbies would be. There's very little I can do. If I were to go to manual mode, I have to take responsibility for almost everything, including exposure. And people new to photography will find that a great difficulty. But if I just change to P mode, program mode, this is programmed auto. Essentially, we are allowed to make a few more changes. It's like going from a tricycle to a bicycle. You've taken the stabilizers off. If I move this dial now, I can change the shutters and the apertures, and I won't get an incorrect exposure. It basically will stop me as soon as it runs out. It will stop and I can go no further. So if we use program mode like this, we have this safety net around us, and if we kind of have a clue that one setting is going to give us a certain kind of effect, well then we can test it out. So let's have a look at this shot here. So using program mode, I'm able to go to f4, which is a small aperture number, and that's a physically big aperture. And basically what we have here is a focus on this particular part of the railings, and most everything is blurred right out. By using programmed mode and changing that dial, I can go through the apertures and I can change what it looks like in the background. So basically I can make the background blurred or sharp depending on the aperture number that I choose. And I can do that myself, and the camera's not going to let me run out of light. So the responsibility is still with the camera to try to help us, but we're telling the camera more about what it is we want to do. So you don't need manual to take control of apertures. You can use program mode instead. I hope this gets you off to a good start.